What's up, everybody? Welcome back to Addicted to Wax. My name is Matt. Continuing with the long form content, we are going to do a Series 1, Series 2, 2008 Jumbo Packs. Let's start with the Series 1. I've had some pretty good luck with these packs, by the way. I had one pack that was insane. Had a relic and a whole bunch of other cards. And it's fun to open this many cards, too, you know? Chin Lung Hu. Ross Glode, Scott Kazmir, Kai Agawa, Delman Young, trophy rookie. That's pretty cool. Jermaine Dye. You can do this to me with the focus. Jermaine Dye. Isringhausen. Tony La Russa. Marcus Giles. Beltre. We got a Mickey Mantle. Rudy Giuliani. Ramirez and Kevin Yoop. Seth Smith. Jimmy Rollins. Kenny Lofton. Nice. Manny Ramirez. Whoops. Jeff Suppan. Grady Sizemore. Pudge and Verlander. Cosmatsui. Kazmir, Santana, and Bedard. Valverde, Cordero, and Hoffman. And then Holiday, Jones, and Ramirez. Julio Franco, another Mantle. Jack Wilson. Carlos Pena. Johan. Lance Broadway. Chris Young. Aaron Cook. Joe Mauer. I got to buy a rookie of Joe Mauer. I haven't done that yet. Willie Randolph. CC on the Indians. Roland. Brad Wilkerson. Varitek. Trevor Hoffman. Scudero. Zach Greinke. Joe Kashansky. Richie Sexton. Wow. Haven't heard that name in a long time. Ryan Dempster. That was your typical 2008 Series 1 pack. Let's see what we got in Series 2. Man. Could that be a relic? I don't know. Maybe. Azigian. Vernon Wells. Takashi Sayato. Eric Ibar. Vincent Padilla. Rick Vandenherk. Matt Cain. Kurt Schilling. Randy Johnson batting. Interesting choice. Garrett Olson. Troy Gloss. Ryan Braun, trophy rookie. That's cool. Probably keep him. Josh Hamilton, another one. Adam Dunn. Loved Adam Dunn. Alex Romero. Joan Figgins. Willie Ibar. Kyle McLennan. Think so. Chippa. Levon. Don't skip one. Bill Hall. Tom Gordon. Ken Griffey on the Reds. Paul Mahone. Whoop. Bobby Crosby. Ali Perez. An auto. Tom Gorzolani. Interesting. It's stuck to read things. Cool. They give you a little hologram and everything. What do you think that is? A $2 auto? Still an auto. CC, Manny, Jimmy Carter, and Gerald Ford. Jose Cruz, Tony Pena, Al Reyes. We got Topstown, Jorge De La Rosa, Marlon Bird, Chase Utley, Reggie Willett, Edwin Jackson, Nate McLeod. Wow, I haven't heard that name in forever, too. Prince Fielder, Ty Wigington, Bruce Bochy. That's crazy that I get two of him in the same pack. Franklin Gutierrez and Michael Kadire, another name I haven't heard in forever. Bringing back the old fantasy baseball names of the late 2000s. So we got an auto. I wonder how many you get in a box. I have a hobby box. Maybe it's just one auto. So they were doing sticker autos back in 2008, huh? Who knew? Who knew what the hobby was going to turn into 18 years later. Still pretty cool. I'll take it. All right, guys. I will see you on the next one. Later.